In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a phone number to your GoDaddy website. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. After that, go to the Websites Plus Marketing area and choose the website you want to update. Once you have selected the correct site, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. When the editor loads, go to the page where you want your phone number to appear. If your website already has a contact section, open that section directly. This is usually the easiest place to add a business phone number because it keeps your contact details organized and easy for visitors to find. Next, click on the Contact section to open its settings. In the Settings panel, look for the Phone Number field. When you find it, enter your business phone number carefully. Make sure every digit is correct before moving on. A small typing mistake here can make it difficult for customers to reach you. After entering the number, review it once more to confirm that it is formatted the way you want it to appear on your site. Some GoDaddy layouts may also give you an option to display or hide the phone number. If that option is available, make sure it is turned on so the number is visible to visitors. Once that is done, check the Contact section in the editor to confirm that the phone number appears correctly. You want to make sure it is showing in the right place and that it looks clean and professional as part of your page layout. Then click Preview to see how the updated Contact section will look on your live website. In preview mode, take a moment to confirm that the phone number is easy to read on both desktop and mobile views if those options are available. If your website supports click-to-call links, test the phone number in preview mode as well to make sure it works correctly. If everything looks good, return to the editor and click Publish. This will make the updated phone number live on your website so visitors can see it right away. That is the full process for adding a phone number to your GoDaddy website. As long as you update the Contact section, review the number carefully, and publish your changes, your visitors will be able to contact you more easily. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.